Good afternoon, everyone. This is John. It is, gosh, what time is it? It's already 4 o'clock. Well, obviously, tomorrow we got the employment numbers, so there's not a lot to talk about in terms of plays tonight. But for the free video, I want to take a look at Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen, I've talked about before, is the indication of what's happening in the world of hedge funds and the carry trade. And in the short term, Aussie looks pretty good. You got a squeeze developing. You've got momentum that's been going higher and now has gone positive. On the negative side, the B wave is below zero and the C wave is below zero. Okay, so definitely some mixed signals there. We have kind of come up to the top of the range, but then you always want to keep in mind the bigger time frame. And on the weekly chart, you've actually got a squeeze that has fired off. All right, and remember, when Aussie Yen goes down, essentially it means that it's kind of a margin call. All assets get sold, so stocks go down, crude oil goes down, that kind of a thing, and then money goes into flights to quality, kind of T-notes and stuff like that. So since then, we've done the retracement back to the mean on the weekly within the context of a weekly squeeze. So what this looks like to me is that Aussie Yen wants to roll back over and sell off, which means bad news for stocks. Okay, so keep an eye on that throughout the day. That is an important indicator, and it'll be especially important tomorrow when the employment numbers come out. All right. Now, let's roll into the premium video here because we got to talk about the stock indexes and where we are on this, okay, on the weekly chart. All right, and last but not least, Rob did finish his 3-day live trading webinar today, and he got a ton of signups for his room. Everybody liked his new kind of methodology that he laid out and everything like that. And at this point, I think the number is 23, that he's got 23 spots left in his room. And what you can see with this is all the different bonuses and stuff that are available here. Here's what I would do if you're thinking about this. So you've got Plan 1, which is a quarterly membership, and Plan 2, which is monthly. Okay, so what are the big difference in that? Okay, so under Plan 1, you get the live trading room, which is $395 per month. All right, and you get the level 2 indicators thrown in for free and the level 1 indicators thrown in for free. And with that, you can try the room for $395 a month, okay, and get those indicators. And then the package for people that I recommend, for people who are thinking, you know what, I really like this, I want to do it. The Plan 1, which is the quarterly member, which is by far the more popular one, is you get all these CDs and DVDs. This is Rob's information, and then we get a metals trading CD and some of the stuff that Huber and I have put together, which is great. Now, the regular price of the trading room is $1,185 a quarter, okay, but you get all this stuff in it, and you can see here it's the Rob's 9-video trading series training course. You get the metals trading webinar, you get the currency trading webinar, you get the level 2 indicators, you get the level 1 indicators, and you get all that for $785 for the quarter. And the nice thing about this is you're actually saving at $785. You're actually a quarter. You're actually saving a substantial amount off the monthly fee. If you do $395 times 3, well, you can round it up. $400 times 3 is $1,200. So you're actually saving a substantial amount by doing the quarterly, and you get all this stuff. So if you're interested in Rob's room, if you're interested in grabbing one of the spots that's left, so that's what I would do. I would check it out, and I think that's it. You guys have a great trading